Hi friends, in this video, I'll talk about cryptocurrency passive income generating strategies. The ideas range from simple to advanced strategies. You will get answers to your questions such as, can I generate passive income through cryptocurrency? Is this the hype real? So get ready as I'm going to answer all your questions. I am the author of the book Cryptocurrency Investing. Based on my real-world banking experiences, I'm sharing facts that you can't miss. Let's refresh our knowledge on cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a unit of currency represented by a virtual encrypted data string. A peer-to-peer network known as a blockchain monitors it and serves as a secure transaction database. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not issued by any authority, providing the owners power and accountability. Now let's understand passive income. It's simply a method to generate income without actively involved in the process day after day. In this case, you invest your digital currency in a particular investment strategy or platform, and they enjoy the profit it generates month after month. The simple method to crypto passive income. The simple method is called holding. You buy a crypto coin and hope that the price will rise. You put your money in a specific crypto or platform and watch it create profit for you. Sometimes, the platform pays you back small commission, or you see the crypto price growing. Payoff could be fixed by the agency. So just investing in top 10 cryptos can generate the passive income for you, as the price hike is almost certain. A simple way many of us attempt to make money in crypto is through purchasing and holding the crypto for at least 3 years. However, simply buying and holding a crypto asset for a long time does not guarantee that it will make you a profit unless you buy one of the top 10 coins. Otherwise, you could also lose your money. Let's dive deep in other advanced crypto passive income strategies. Proof of stake method. Before explaining proof of stake in detail, let's understand this example. If you see how banks accept a new customer in their system, they do the new customer's identification verification. They check the customer's address, intention of opening a bank account. After a thorough investigation, they let someone open a bank account. So, in crypto proof of stake, instead of a bank validating transaction, the crypto community validates it in a decentralized way. In the crypto world, the blockchain doesn't just let any transaction register in the ledger. It needs validation. Previously, there was a method called proof of work. The miners needed to solve a complex mathematical problem to generate a hash. This allowed to add a new block of transaction to the crypto's blockchain. After successful problem solving, the miner was rewarded. This method required lots of energy. Alternatively, this new method of proof of stake emerged. In this method, the validator stakes their coins to validate the new data and help enter the data into the blockchain. In other words, the validators are risking their coins for an uncertain event. You can say that they are locking their coins to validate the transactions. Hence, it is called proof of stake. If it becomes successful, the validator will get rewarded. The blockchain picks up validator randomly. The more coins one has, the chances of getting selected as a validator is high. You can participate in this process by putting your coins in a suitable crypto wallet. Marking POS coins has become a famous method for acquiring an interest in crypto asset holdings. By marking coins like NEO, Redcoin RDD, or Komodo KMD, for instance, you can acquire around 5% interest per annum on your holdings. Staking digital currencies is a phenomenal method for acquiring easy revenue, yet it requires a specific measure of technical expertise. Knowing fully well that transaction validation might be technically tasking, you could opt for POS blockchains that allow you to delegate your stakes to other participants who are ready to take up the technical requirements of staking. Understandably, the reward distributed to validators is slightly higher than that of a delegator. Some of the POS blockchains you could consider are Cardano, Ethereum 2.0, Polkadot, Solana. If you are getting values, boop that like button and subscribe to my channel as I share real strategies to making money. Cloud mining. Mining is another genuine way for acquiring crypto and probably the most seasoned method for procuring digital money as easy revenue. In mining, you point your PC to tackle complex numerical issues, decipher codes, and secure the organization. Your computer is awarded a portion of newly mined crypto coins. Take it to be Bitcoin. Mining was reasonable and possible through any PC in the good old days. With the increased competition, most miners opted for the advanced graphic processing units, GPUs. Not only this, but organizations and asset-rich establishments became possibly the most important factor and began utilizing application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs. These are amazing PCs tailor-made for mining. That made it much harder for retail diggers to acquire by mining. Thus, investors frequently opt for a substitute methodology called cloud mining. Now you can pay any outside company to take part in crypto mining on behalf of you. Fundamentally, you pay a stage that offers such administrations a singular amount to lease or purchase mining machines from their mining offices. Later, this first installment, you may need to pay a support expense every day so the Cloud Mining Specialist organization can assist you with dealing with your mining rigs. It accompanies loads of dangers too. Cloud mining has been a subject of discussion since the time it became widely adopted. In few scenarios, scams were reported, so you should carry your own investigation before opting for this option. Lending strategies. Lending is a fantastic way to earn passive income on your cryptocurrency holdings. We all know how lending functions. Just imagine how banks give credits and earn revenue that way. You precisely follow this, but in digital currencies. It is smarter to utilize an established legitimate platform to ensure that you don't lose your altcoins while lending them. This kind of lending is also called decentralized or DeFi lending. These lending services are executed on the blockchain. Unlike traditional lending, there are no intermediaries involved in DeFi lending. Instead, lenders and borrowers interact with programmable and self-executing contracts, which autonomously and periodically set interest rates. Margin lending is a way to earn interest on crypto holdings by letting other traders borrow their funds and use it to trade. It's a great idea for people who want to earn even more off of their investments without having to put in much effort. In this case, crypto exchanges do most of the work on your behalf. All you need to do is make your digital asset available. Many peer-to-peer platforms let you do this. They let you lock up your funds for some time and later reward you through interest payments. The interest rate can either be fixed by the platform or set by you depending on the market rate. It is important to understand that if interest rate is too high, nobody will borrow from you. This method is best for long-term holders who don't want quick profit. On BTC Pop, for example, you can lend to other exchange participants. Unlike a traditional lender, they don't use a credit score as a basis for lending. Instead, their system relies on a reputation system to provide the most trustworthy borrowers with loans from competing lenders. Lending digital currency has a risk as the borrower could default on your credit. Thus, it is fundamental to expand your crypto credit portfolio to various advances and check out every borrower exhaustively before lending your coins. Alternatively, centralized lending is a strategy in which you rely solely on the lending infrastructure of third parties. Here, the interest rates are fixed, so are the lockup periods. Like peer-to-peer lending, you have to transfer your crypto to the lending platform to start earning interest. Interest-bearing crypto accounts. Holders can exploit revenue-bearing crypto accounts to acquire fixed interest on their inactive digital assets. Consider this as placing cash in an interest-earning bank account. The only difference is that this service supports only crypto deposits. Rather than holding digital assets in your wallets, you can store them in these accounts and get daily, week-to-week, month-to-month, or yearly profit contingent upon the predefined interest rates. Crypto service providers that offer such products include Nexo, Celsius Network, Swissborg, BlockFi, etc. BlockFi, for example, enables you to earn 6.2% annual yield by simply sending your digital assets to them, secured in a so-called BlockFi interest account, BIA. Just choose to accept Bitcoin, BTC, or Ether, ETH, and it's game on. BlockFi takes your money and lends it to anyone who will pay high interest rates. Celsius Network, a decentralized finance DeFi platform, shares up to 80% of its revenues with the Celsius community in the form of weekly interest payments of up to 13.30% APY on coins deposited on its platform. So you can see that the earning potential is more than traditional bank due to the interest rate. Cryptocurrency interest accounts enable you to receive passive income in the form of regular interest payments while you hold your coins. Conclusion: this was my basic overview on some of the passive income strategies currently in fashion. If you liked this video or found any value, consider subscribing to my channel because I will share more value videos like this that will help you achieve financial freedom faster. Until next time, take care. Adios.